How do you research a stock on Wiseek? One ticker, 3 minutes, and one unfair advantage. Watch. Pick any stock. Type the ticker LCID, Lucid Group, and Wiseek takes you straight to its page. One day in July, Lucid became the wildest story on the tape, and it is the perfect way to show you the edge. This is Lucid's home on Wiseek, the profile in one glance, and right below it, every filing and headline about this company scored 1 to 10 in real time. The financial snapshot, real fundamentals from the latest filing, the quarterly 10Q, the annual 10K, or the 20F for foreign companies. For Lucid, $1.35 billion in revenue, a $2.7 billion loss, and about $1 billion in cash. Remember that number. Source cited always, straight from the SEC filing. Every ticker also carries a dilution flag. One glance tells you who is printing shares. The full method has its own video. The live price and the full interactive chart right on the page. Wait, minus 45%, then straight back up? That spike has a story. And here is the superpower, the full history, in order. Watch one afternoon of Lucid like a story. 1:34 p.m., the news hits and the stock is already on the floor, down 45% at $2.98. On a report that bankruptcy is being considered, score 10, negative. Now comes the moment that matters. 2:29 p.m., the company answers with an official 8-page filing, pages of dense legal language. While most investors still had no idea what it actually said, Wiseek read it in a fraction of a second and surfaced the key takeaway. Score 9, positive. The rumors are false and cash runs into next year. Now look at the chart. $3.21. The stock was still trading near its lows. The information was already there. The rebound was not. That is the edge. The filing had been processed, summarized, and surfaced while the market was still deciding what it meant. Investors using Wiseek could evaluate the company's response before the major recovery unfolded. 3:03 p.m., the rebound begins, from $2.98 back to $4.57. The next morning, doubt crept back in. Then the denial won. By the next close, the stock had nearly doubled off the low. One afternoon, 4 events, and one moment where understanding the filing before the market fully reacted made all the difference. In the filing that turned it all around, 1 click. Every article follows the same anatomy. Up top, the market context, price, market cap, and where the stock sits in its 52-week range. Notice the volume, 4.5 times the average. Something is happening. Then the summary, in plain English. Lucid officially denies the bankruptcy rumors that crushed the stock 45%. Below it, the key events, each with its numbers, the denial, the advisory role clarified, the market context, the fine print. Then the full analysis, and it calls what happens next, a credibility test. If the market accepts the denial, the stock could recover sharply. And all of this was ready seconds after the filing hit Edgar. And the link to the original SEC filing, so you can verify every word yourself. And down at the bottom, the full history with filters, filing type, date range, any stock, any page. One last thing, back on the dashboard. 1 star adds Lucid to your watch list. The bell adds email alerts, so the next chapter finds you the second it is filed. And when any stock makes a move like Lucid just did, the mover scanner catches it as it happens. That is the next video. See you there.